Crazy deals explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, crazy deals, in English. This phrase is commonly used in shopping and advertising contexts. But what does it really mean? Let's find out together. The phrase, crazy deals, is a colloquial expression commonly used in marketing and retail. It refers to exceptionally good offers or discounts on products or services. These deals are often considered crazy because of their unbelievable prices or terms, which seem too good to be true. Key characteristics of crazy deals: significant discounts. Prices are much lower than usual. Limited time. These deals are often available for a short period. Special occasions, frequently seen during holidays or special events. To understand crazy deals better, let's look at some examples. Black Friday sales. Stores offer huge discounts, often advertised as crazy Black Friday deals. Online flash sales. E-commerce websites hosting limited-time sales with significant price drops. Context usage. Advertising slogans. Don't miss our crazy Christmas deals. Consumer discussions. I got this laptop for half the price. It was a crazy deal. When learning English, knowing how to use phrases like crazy deals can be very helpful, especially in shopping contexts. Here are some tips. Use it to describe a great offer. I found a crazy deal on winter jackets. Ask about it. Do you have any crazy deals going on right now? And that's a wrap on crazy deals. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations, especially when you're out grabbing those amazing offers. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so keep exploring and using new phrases. Happy learning and happy shopping!